Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view EXIF metadata of JPEG image files online. Open your favorite browser. Go to metadata2go.com. Click on choose file, or you can drag and drop the image file here. Select the image file on your computer and click open. Now click on start analyzing file. Wait for a few seconds. That's it. Metadata info of your file is displayed on your screen. Here you can find all the details like the camera used for taking this picture, focal length, white balance, and all the other useful details. You can note down these values and use the same settings in your camera for taking better photos. This is how you can view EXIF metadata of JPEG image files online. Thank you for watching.